Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a super exciting topic to dive into the Kapwing AI tutorial. Kapwing is an awesome online platform that offers a variety of tools for video editing and content creation. And recently, they introduced their AI-powered features, which take things to a whole new level. So, let's jump right in and learn how to use Kapwing AI. First things first, head over to the Kapwing website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can access all of their amazing tools. Now, let's explore the AI capabilities and how they can enhance your videos. One of the most impressive features of Kapwing AI is its ability to automatically generate subtitles for your videos. We all know how important subtitles are, especially for accessibility and reaching a wider audience. With Kapwing AI, it's super easy.